If you lift it up.
She only know that you. That's why I forgot to buy Slam Jam.
Stop giving me that look, it's scary. She gives me that look, it sounds scary. It's like she's gonna attack me during that time.
No, she's just showing off because the camcorder.
Oh, really?
Hi, Mom.
Do it.
You want to see again? You want to see yourself again? Right here. She camcorded. Hello.
Don't bring too much. Yeah, cover your mouth.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
I still have a seat.
We're going to the farm, pick strawberries.
Strawberry.
Yes. I know it.
You remember this, Lucy?
Ooh, dusty. Close your mouth.
The garden, all the way like to the car. And then we were sitting there. No, I don't remember.
Please don't get too hard.
Honey.
Heck, that's bad.
Okay? Honey, share. Share. It's okay, we just washed it. It's okay, it's not dirty.
It's dirty.
We use extra fabric softener too. It's okay, don't worry. Hey, you got passengers back here. Can you slow down? We're good. We're good.
Don't break.
Yeah, just don't break because it's hella dusty. Yeah.
This is just don't break because it's hella dusty.
It's so very dirty.
Really, this is a pretty far walk. It is a pretty far walk.
Should have brought the bike and the carrier.
No, we should have brought the bike.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's that little stream again. Yeah, little stream. We're across it. Woo! Woo! That's what it sounds like out here.
Mama.
They got the good spot, huh?
This was the it's a found spot.
Oh.
What was it?
We had some cousins who camped here. I don't like this one. This spot right here, I don't really like it. I like our spot better.
That's so
Actually, the other spot
fun.
over there is really nice too. 17, 18 older. I actually thought that was really nice too.
I like this bathroom. It looks much more, Hi!
We're importing Asians. It's a good thing we get in and out privileges.
We're sneaking Asians through the border.